To fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone. So when you get to your phone menu, tap on the Blackjack 21. So use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap on application details. Then when it opens, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache, go back, then you tap on the force stop. Then now tap on OK. After that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, then you toggle it on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store app. So when you get to your Play Store app, what you have to do next is to search for the name of the device. After searching for the name, what you have to do is to tap on update. So after updating it, lastly, what you have to do is tap on the power button for some while, and now try to reboot your device. So just push it like this to reboot it. Thank you for watching this video.